Let's talk about VSTACK. VSTACK basically a function which returns the array formed by appending each of the array arguments in the row-wise fashion. That means, for example, you have different countries here in column A, column B, and column C. What VSTACK does, takes your array VSTACK. For example, you are taking array 1, then you are taking array 2, and then you are taking array 3. When you enter, it will merge all the columns into one cell. HSTACK is similar to the VSTACK. The difference is VSTACK means take the data vertically and this is horizontally. So the syntax will remain same. You can just type VSTACK and you will take the data same what we have taken from VSTACK, one by one these columns. Here you go. It will show you the column horizontally.